got these out of my garden just a little bit ago, and it's the first time I've had enough to really do anything with all at one time. So I am going to can pickled banana peppers. Okay, I have 3 half pints, and I have 3 cloves of garlic that I cut up. I didn't cut one of them. Put those in there, and I'm going to pack my peppers in. I may need one more jar, I don't know. I may need more than that. We'll see. Pack them pretty tight. I didn't take the seeds out of. Since I'm putting these in half pint jars, I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds in each jar. And 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds in each jar. I'll get the lid off. Okay. Then I gotta get my brine going. 3 cups of vinegar. 1 cup of water. A half a tablespoon of Kenna salt. And I'm going to bring that to a boil. Okay. Because I'm using these little bitty jars, I'm going to put that much pickle crisp in. It is a smidgen. And the reason I used a smidgen is because my recipe is for pint jars, and it calls for 1/8 of a teaspoon per pint jar. So I don't even have 1/8 teaspoon. I usually use the pinch one for a pint jar. So use that little bitty one. Okay, I heat my flats, but I don't boil them. I just bring the water up to hot, where it's steaming, and then I turn it off. So, I put my flats in my water. I get it on the stove. Okay, my brine boiled. I'm going to add it to the jars. To a 1/2 inch headspace. Yeah. The vinegar will take your breath away. I know you people will understand. I can't make a video without my dogs. I have 2 wiener dogs. They're going to bark. It's kind of like trying to make a video outside and the roosters are going to crow. It's just the way it is. Slice it a bit. Well, I gauged that just about right. Alright. I'm going to get my flats on there. Get them in the water bath. I have it heating. First I'm going to wipe my rims. Make sure there's no seeds, see? Alright. Put these rings on fingertip tight. Now I'm going to get them in the hot water. Okay, probably have to boil a little water to get them over the top. Yep, I always do. So I'll come back. Okay, I have about an inch and a half of water over these jars. We'll put the lid on, and when they come to a full rolling boil, I'll start my timer for 10 minutes. Okay, we're at a full rolling boil. And I got my timer set. After the timer goes off, I turn the burner off and I lift them out of the water and I let them sit there for 5 minutes before I take them out. Alrighty. There we have them. And there they are. Out of the canner, and I will let these sit for 24 hours before I move them. It looks like they've already all sealed. So, they do lose some of their green tint during the process. Won't focus. There we go. Thanks for coming along with me today on this little project. Hope you're having an awesome spring, summer. Here we are, June 17th. It's summer here. We are in like the high 90s, but real feel is 112. It's miserable outside.